What is up, you guys? Micah here, or Saga on, or not Instagram, on Twitter. Um, I just wanted to talk to you guys about a crypto exchange slash coin project company, whatever you want to call it, all of those things put together. And it is a regulated, fully regulated crypto exchange bank is what they want you to see you at, is what they want you to see them as, is like a crypto bank, basically one that I've heard of talks of them talking about working with JP Morgan, which is Chase Bank. They are they're changing the game, and I think they are going to be a top exchange in the EU. um, and just in general, I think they're going to be one of the ones competing and doing big things, and one of the best probably is what I think, the way I see it as. And this guy over here, as you can see, this is the actual CEO, and he's going to be telling us about tokenized diamonds. This will give you a little idea of what they're doing. Then we can also watch this one, but they have a lot of cool stuff going on. They're going to be tokenizing a lot of things, assets like diamonds, bonds. See, tokenized bond based on an approved security prospectus. I think that's how you say it. Available to verified retail users in 30 European countries, limited availability. So you're going to be able to get a earn 7% fixed yield. Um, Also, the diamonds, they have it. This is the front of their website, so they're clearly pushing this and they're excited about it. Timons, historic launch. LCX pioneers asset-backed NFTs. World's first project launched as a physical validator, real-world diamonds on the blockchain. This is huge because the SEC, Gary Gensler, they're suing the two biggest exchanges in the world right now, Binance and Coinbase. Um, and they're coming after them. They're suing them. They're going through problems. And LCX is in Liechtenstein. They're fully regulated. They're chilling. So what does that mean? Well, I think that means they're a good investment. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not. I don't have any right or legality in giving financial advice. This is just my opinion with what I'm doing. But from what I've seen or what I see, I think this is a good one. They have their own crypto coin, and they're an exchange. And yeah, I really like them. Liechtenstein's are really cool. Old old school medieval castles, all this good stuff. LCX, the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange, is pioneering a blockchain infrastructure bridging the traditional monetary system and the fast moving trusted technology landscape. Global fintech company, Swiss German quality mindset, Liechtenstein blockchain regulation. So that's awesome. Uh, and I'm also part German, so it's all kind of cool, it comes together. Um, let's see here. Let's take a look at the token, because that's what you're going to be investing in, right? If you're not investing in the diamonds or whatever NFTs that they have, bonds. So the LCX utility token connects the LCX ecosystem. The LCX token is classified as a utility token, works as a long-term sustainable incentive mechanism to motivate various stakeholders to participate in the ecosystem. So, says right here, LCX token has been issued by LCX AG in full compliance with applicable laws and regulations in Liechtenstein. As per legal assessment performed by qualified legal firms, LCX token can be legally classified as a utility token according to US, Singapore, European, and Liechtenstein law. That's huge. Um, currently right now sitting at a 38 million market cap. They only have 950 I think, let's see here. Yeah, this is the total circulating supply. So I believe that's 950 million total supply, with the circulating supply of 771 million. And it's currently sitting at around 5 cents. When you use the token, it's a reduction of up to 50% trading fees at LCX compliant digital asset exchange. All the different things right here. Exchange listings: Coinbase, Uniswap, Kraken, LCX themselves, of course. And let's go back over here to the exchange. Oh, no. So let's see. Basically, the main point of this video that I'm doing is, if you're looking for a safe bet, I think this is one of the safest bets. It's a micro cap. It's got a pretty small supply, under 1 billion. You know, you can make a lot of money on this one, I think, if you hold for the long term and see what they do. It'd be like getting in on Binance early, you know? So let's watch the video.
Welcome to Unpaired in Zouk. It's an NFT gallery, and I'd like to show you to the Timons NFT show, which we just did today here at the end of the Crypto Valley conference. Let me show you what we're doing here. So this is an NFT, but it's not only an NFT, it's an asset-backed NFT. It's a diamond. It's a tokenized diamond, number 120, and it's a real-world diamond stored.
So this is the
CEO.
CEO.
Vault, insured.
Himself talking.
Fully back the ownership right in this digital entity. But let me show you more. So we had been inviting here a group of people from the Crypto Valley forum and the conference who had been there today at the Timons Crypto Brunch. And I had been talking about Timons and the new launch of the new batch, which is coming out on 6th of June 2023. And we have been showcasing all different kind of Timons here at the screens. What the crowd had been fascinated about is the fact that you can now invest in diamonds in a new asset class without moving the physical goods from A to B. The diamonds are stored in an insured environment in Liechtenstein, and the NFT is representing the ownership rights. So you can simply go to timons.com, search your diamond you want to pick, and then buy it, own it, hold it. And if you are a holder of a diamond, then you get diamond hands, and there is a reward, you get TIA tokens. So that's our kind of fun educational part, where you can learn more about the project, own some TIA token, and talk about the diamonds. So thanks for joining, everybody.
So I think that's pretty freaking cool. And you know what this makes me think is that if they're up there in the Swiss and whatnot, like, I think they're untouchable by the US. Given their location, maybe this is a situation where they can't even be messed with by the US, even if they want to, or the SEC, right? So this is like maybe like a really safe place to put your money, or crypto, or not have to worry about them getting hammered by the SEC, because they can't be. I don't know, but this is what it seems like to me, right?
LCX.com, the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange, is a regulated fintech company that focuses on digital asset trading, compliant token offerings, and tokenization. LCX is headquartered in Liechtenstein with offices in Switzerland, India, and USA. In 2020, LCX received 8 crypto-related approvals by the Financial Market Authority. LCX Exchange is a secure and regulated trading platform for cryptocurrencies. LCX Exchange makes it easy to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, LCX token, and more. LCX DeFi protocol is a second-layer blockchain protocol enabling limit orders on Uniswap. LCX DeFi Terminal is a decentralized trading platform for Uniswap with super-fast markets data, beautiful charting, trading view integration, and DeFi indicators such as liquidity and volume. LCX Token Sale Manager is the most advanced and fully compliant platform for any token sale, regardless of whether it is a utility or security token. LCX STO Launchpad provides a compliant one-stop tokenization platform for security tokens to automate the fundraising and investor management on the blockchain. LCX price oracles are credible and decentralized cryptocurrency reference prices. LCX Terminal is a portfolio management platform across all major cryptocurrency exchanges. LCX Token is the fuel of our purpose-built platform. LCX Token works as a long-term sustainable incentive mechanism to motivate various stakeholders to participate in the ecosystem. This is LCX. LCX.com.
Hell yeah, man. I like it. Follow them on Twitter. You saw it right there. I can also show you guys their Twitter. But I like them. I think this is gonna be they're gonna be a winner in the upcoming future. So I just wanted to give you guys this video, show you about LCX. We can even see the sentiment, what people think. Bullish on LCX, bullish. Let's load the bag. Yes, sir. This guy says LCX will be so big you can't even grab it right now. True FOMO will kick in at around $1 to $2 next bull run. This thing will pop off for sure. So it looks like, it looks like people are bullish. People are bullish. Sometimes you buy the top, sometimes you buy at a good price, but I don't see how you could be bearish on LCX. LCX, the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange, was founded in 2018 with the headquarters in Vaduz, Liechtenstein, and offices in Crypto Valley, Zug, Switzerland. You can't touch Switzerland, okay? If I believe I'm correct, the United States can't touch Switzerland. So the fact that they're working in there, you know what I mean? Immunity to the USA and the SEC and all that. New Delhi, India, Chicago, USA has obtained 8, and they're also in the United States, by the way. LCX has obtained 8 crypto-related registrations by Financial Market Authority. Liechtenstein operates in accordance with the new blockchain laws, and has introduced a comprehensive crypto compliance suit. LCX AG, the legal entity behind LCX.com, has a registered share capital of 1 million CHF. It's a proud member of the World Economics Forum Center. Yeah. So I'm excited with this one, guys. I'll keep you updated with what's going on, and we'll see what happens. This is their Twitter for any real-time updates. They're active on there. They got 90,000 followers. Next generation crypto exchange, regulated, trusted, Liechtenstein. Yeah, tokenized bonds, tokenized diamonds. They're probably gonna do gold if they haven't already, silver, yada yada. So enjoy, you guys. It was nice talking to y'all. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week and weekend coming up. This is Micah Saga. You can follow me at Micah Bolus Saga. This is my Twitter. Next video I'll be doing will be about Pepe, because it is popping off, and I'll give you all the reasons why I like that. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.